Hello children, my name is Jess. Let's start our Letters and Sounds lesson and learn to read some new words. Let's read some phonemes you already know. I'll show you the graphemes on the cards and I want you to read them aloud. This first card says and this digraph says oo or you. Now it's your turn. Off you go. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. Oo or you. Oo or you. Or. Or oo. Oo or you. Now I'm going to mix the cards up. Read the graphemes on the cards aloud. Off you go. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. Oo or you. Oo or you. Or. Oo or you. Or oo. Well done. Super sounds. Now let's read some words with graphemes we already know. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, the digraph is or. Read each sound as I point, then blend and read the word. L or law. A law is a rule. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, the digraph is e. Read each sound, then blend. B, e, d. Bread. Read each sound, then blend. S, k, a, m. Scram. To scram means to leave quickly. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, the digraph is O. Read each sound, then blend. K, l, oak, s. Cloaks. Little Red Riding Hood wore a red cloak to visit Grandma. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, the digraph is oi. Read each sound, then blend. Oi, t. Spoilt. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, the digraph is I. Read each sound, then blend. Fried. Fried. I like fried eggs on toast for breakfast. Great reading. I'm going to mix the words up. Can you read the words on the cards without sounding them out this time? Off you go. Let's check. Read them with me. Law. Spoilt. Fried. Scram. Bread. Cloaks. Today we're learning a new grapheme for the phoneme Copy me. Now, let's sound talk some words with the phoneme Copy me. Say the sounds and then see if you can blend the sounds to say the word. B, d. B, d. Your turn. B, d. Bird. The bird flew in the sky. Copy me. Say the sounds and then blend the sounds to say the word. D. D. Your turn. D. Third. She came third in the race. Let's sound talk our final word. Copy me. Say the sounds, then blend the sounds to say the word. Sh, t. Sh, t. Your turn. Sh, t. Shirt. A shirt is a piece of clothing with buttons down the front. We know the sound can be written like this. Today we're learning that can also look like this. Let's read the new grapheme for Say the sound each time I show you the digraph Well done! Great reading of Now let's read some words with our new grapheme for the sound Sound talk each grapheme, then blend to read the word aloud. Now let's read the word together. B, d. Bird. Did you get it right? Read each grapheme, then blend to read the word aloud. Now let's read the word together. T. Skirt. She wore her best skirt to the party. Sound out and blend. Let's read the word together. G, l. Girl. Did you get it right? Let's read the word together. First. First. If you win the race, you come first. Let's read the word together. Shirt. You have to wear a shirt to school. Now let's read the word together. Third. Did you get it right? Great reading. I'm now going to mix the words up. Can you read the words on the cards without sounding them out this time? Off you go. Let's check. Read them with me. Skirt. Girl. First. Bird. Shirt. Third. Wow, fantastic reading, children. Now, let's learn to read a tricky word. We're going to learn to read the word thought. Well, the first bit is easy. But the second bit is tricky. This says or, and the end is easy. T. When I read it, I say th, or t, thought. Now read the word with me. Th, or t, thought. Well done. Read it to yourself. What's the word? Sorry, what was that? Yes, the word is thought. Thought. Now, you know how to read this tricky word. Can you remember the tricky bit? Well, the first bit is tricky if you say ah. The next bit is fine, s, k. But the last bit is tricky because these letters say t. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. Asked, asked. Or some of you might say asked, asked. Well done. Let's read a sentence with our new grapheme in it. Can you see the words with our new grapheme Yes. This word and this word both have the grapheme Can you see any other words with digraphs? Yes. This word has the digraph O. Can you see a tricky word we've read today? Well done. The tricky word is thought. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words and remember to sound out any words you're not sure of. Excellent reading. Now let's read the sentence together. I thought that the girl had a bird on her cloak. Let's read the sentence one more time. I thought that the girl had a bird on her cloak. Did the girl really have a bird on her cloak? Wow, let's finish by spelling some words, because if you can read a word, then you can have a go at spelling it. You will need paper and something to write with. Let's spell two words with today's grapheme Let's spell bird. Segment the sounds with me. Bird. B, d. Let's count how many sounds there are. B, d. That's 3 sounds. Watch me write bird. Remember, I need 3 sounds. B, d. Now let's hide the word. You have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. Okay, let's check our spelling. Show me your spelling. Did you get it right? B, d, bird. Let's try another. Let's spell girl. Segment the sounds with me. Girl. G, o. Let's count how many sounds there are. G, o. That's 3 sounds. Watch me write girl. And remember, I need 3 sounds. G, o. Now you have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. Okay, let's check our spelling. Show me your spelling. Did you get it right? G-l, girl. Right, now let's spell a tricky word. We can read the word thought, so now let's spell it. Segment the sounds with me. Thought. Ought. Let's count how many sounds there are. Ought. That's 3 sounds. Well, the first bit is easy. T and H. But the second bit is tricky. O-U-G-H says or. Then the end is easy. T. Watch me write thought. And then O-U-G-H says or. Finally, T. Okay, let's hide the word. Now you have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. What's the tricky bit? The or sound is written with the letters O-U-G-H. Write it down. Right, let's check our spelling. Show me your spelling. Did you get it right? Ought. Well done, children. You've worked so hard practicing reading and spelling. See you soon for another lesson with Letters and Sounds. Bye.